good evening. Namaste everyone.
Namaste.
Namaste. Good evening. So I am Shobna Juneja. I'm a yoga teacher and wellness coach. Today we would be practicing yoga, right? The times that we are facing, the relevance of yoga has increased a lot, right? Because yoga helps us in many ways. So yoga in the times that we are facing is helping in many ways. Of late, all of us must have seen certain videos in which even doctors are recommending that what kind of breathing you can pick up from yoga practices and really help people. So I'll just ask generally, how does yoga help us? Yoga, I'll give 2 cues and then you will add on to it. Yoga helps, I say, for building immunity, which is very general. Anything you can add on to it? Yoga helps for staying fit, which is the very catchy thing about yoga and something which hooks people. So it helps to build immunity. It really helps us to keep fit. What else yoga is really helping us for? Concentration, anxiety.
Relaxation.
Very good. Relaxation, in other words, anxiety, stress relief, right? So it has myriad benefits. हम अपनी need के accordingly योगा को अपनी routine में लेके आ सकते हैं, right? और जो आज हम योगा practice करने वाले हैं, हम 2 चीज़ों के ऊपर focus करेंगे. One is yoga for the health workers which are battling COVID, battling in the sense they're dealing with the people and dealing with the situations which are related to COVID, right? Second part of our yoga would be on yoga for the prevention and rehabilitation of COVID-19, right? But we would focus on the first part, right, which is yoga for the health workers, right? You all are health workers here. You are somehow or directly related with the cause of health. So this is dedicated to you and everybody who is watching, right? So yoga for everyone concerned here. So we'll simply start. One rule is that in case we feel any kind of discomfort, we will stop and we will share. Second rule is we'll maintain a smile on our face, right? Because we shared that yoga is for anxiety and stress relief, and when Dr. Deepak shared with me that we have to really do yoga for health workers, so first thing that came to my mind was how this session would be helping to take stress and anxiety away from the health workers. Because we hear so many news and we personally feel that how you are having sleepless nights, how you're really working hard and stress and anxiety is building up, right? So your smiling is important and your heart to understand, mind to understand is important, that you will be loving to do it. You'll be enjoying to do it. आज के सेशन के बाद हो सकता है कि आपका खुद का मन करे कि 20 मिनट्स की प्रैक्टिस मैंने लेकर आनी है एंड हमारा ऑब्जेक्टिव भी यही है. इट इज़ नॉट कि योगा डे है तो हम कर रहे हैं, राइट? इट इज़ genuinely for the cause that we inculcate 20 minutes of, at least 20 minutes of practice in the morning hours. As we get up, drink water, let us do yoga so that we are prepared like actual warriors. है ना? वॉरियर्स जब तक प्रिपेयर नहीं करेंगे अपने आप को फिजिकली, मेंटली, स्पिरिचुअली, तो कैसे अपना बेस्ट फाइट कर पाएंगे, राइट? सो इसको हमने ऐसे लर्न करना है कि हम इसको इम्बाइब कर सके. एंड मैं भी एफर्ट बेस्ट डालने की कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि आपके लिए ये इंटरेस्टिंग हो एंड आपके लिए यूजफुल हो, राइट? सो लेट अस बिगिन रिपीटिंग अगेन. योगा फॉर हेल्थ प्रोफेशनल्स, राइट, who are dealing with people battling COVID. Alright, so sitting on the mat, first of all what we do, we straighten our legs, keep our hands back, gently shake our feet, start taking focused breaths from your nose, bring your awareness on your breathing. Try to close your eyes while you're doing this. And try to focus on your breathing while you're gently shaking your feet. Ten more seconds like this. deep breathing you're focusing on, but you're shaking your feet. Very good. Now we're gonna sit cross-legged. So cross-legged position, legs को क्रॉस करने की पोजीशन अपने आप में एक बहुत पावरफुल पोजीशन है, बिकॉज ये हमारे को मेंटली अलर्ट करती है, राइट? सो हम कैसे बैठ सकते हैं? दिस इज वन वे टू सिट, अदर इज टू सिट सिंपल क्रॉस-लेग्ड. दिस इज डिफिकल्ट, राइट? Where we put one foot on the other leg's thigh. This is difficult, but still you can try and change if you're not comfortable. Sitting in the cross-legged position, or you can take the support of the wall. Place your hands on your knees, everybody. Roll your shoulders back once, expand your chest. Align your ears with the shoulders at the back. Sometimes we tend to protrude our head more than the shoulders. So keep your shoulders and your ears in one line. Close your eyes, everybody. Close your eyes. आंखें बंद करेंगे. Breathing पे focus लेकर आएंगे. All the thoughts away. This is purely for you, that you only are doing and practicing here. So bring entire concentration and awareness. Loosen out and remove the tension from your shoulders. Although your back is straight, but you keep it relaxed. Taking 3 deep breaths now. Inhale deeply, your spine straightens. Exhale, you maintain the uprightness of the spine, but you breathe out completely. Again, inhale, back straight. Exhale, breathing out completely, maintaining the straightness in the spine. Let's do it one more time. Inhaling on the count of 4 on 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhaling on the count of 6 on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Keep your eyes closed. Get your palms together and rub your palms, everybody. Keep your eyes closed. Rub your palms very nicely. You should be able to feel the heat producing. Now give this warmth, the healing touch of your hands to the top of your head. At the back of your neck, place your palms on your shoulders, upper arms down to the elbows, to your back, hips, legs. Very good. We chant Om once. Alright? So again, placing our hands on the knees with the palms facing up. We'll inhale together, all of us. And when we exhale in unison, we would chant Om mantra to attune ourselves with the higher vibrations. Breathing in from the nose. Together. Namaste, good evening again everybody.
Good evening.
Good evening. So let us start with our yoga practice further by doing subtle exercises. So subtle exercises are the wrist rotations and a smile along throughout. Very good. So moving in one direction, and let's bring the awareness on our breathing also. Now in the opposite direction, nicely. Along with deep breathing. You should be able to feel the breath long and deep. Very good. Now we'll do shoulder shrugs and drops. So shrugging, we'll feel the tension completely, and when we drop, we'll deliberately let the tension leave our body. So let's do it. Shrugging, feel the tension. Drop, let it go. Very good. Shrug, feel the tension, tighten. Drop, let it go. Very good. Tighten, shrug. Drop, let it go. 2 more times. Shrug your shoulders, tight, tight, tight. Feel the tension. Drop, let it go. Let's do it 1 more time. Keeping your eyes closed. Shrug your shoulders, tighten, tighten the best. Drop with a smile. Very good. Now we are sitting cross-legged. So after this, let's do this dynamic side stretch. So one hand down, other up. And freely breathing while we are doing this. So this is a side stretch for the spine. Remember, we are doing Sukshma Vyayam or subtle exercises which are mobilizing our joints. Very good. Now, after side stretch, let's do some twisting. This you can do even while you're seated in the chair or you're sitting in your bed, right? So like this, one hand resting on the opposite knee, other arm right behind, we twist. And then other side. Very good. Slow and nice, but dynamically let's keep doing. Twisting, look back. Focus on yourself. Look back, piche. Very good. Other side. जितना हो सके शोल्डर को पीछे की तरफ खोलना है. Very good. Twist your body. पीछे देखेंगे. Turn around. Other side. One more time. Twist to one side. Stay there. Keep breathing there. पीछे उसी साइड पे रहेंगे. देखते रहेंगे पीछे. Stay there. Take 3 deep breaths. वहीं पे रहेंगे, मूव नहीं करना. 3 deep breaths. जैसे ही आपके 3 deep breaths finish होंगे, by yourself you will change to the other side. Change to the other side. Deep breathing. Very good. So this is simple wrist, shoulder, spine movement on the sides. We can also do the neck exercise while we are seated. So you can place your hands comfortably and simply take your head up. Inhale. Exhale, bring your head in the center. Very good. Inhale, roll your head back. Breathe in. Exhale in the center. 3 more times. Inhale, rolling our head back, expanding the rib cage. Exhale, head in the center. Very, very good. 2 more times. Inhale, really rolling our head back, giving room to the lungs to expand. Exhale in the center. One last time into this one. Inhaling, head is back. Feel the expansion of your chest. Exhale, head in the center. Very good. Now from here, we turn the head side to side, aligning our chin with the shoulder. This is very relaxing too. Just keep on turning your head on the sides very softly. On your own. Very good. Keep on doing this till I tell you to stop. अपने आप से करते रहेंगे. Neck muscles में mobility लेकर आ रहे हैं by turning it side to side. Very good. जब दोनों साइड पे हो जाए, right and left side पे, head in the center, rub your palms. And with a smile, transfer the warmth to your neck. Very good. To your shoulders, to your back. Very good. One more time, straightening the legs. Now flex and extending the toes. Flexion and extension of our toes. Very good. Rotation. In one direction we do. Very nice. Other direction. Very good. Now we are going to move into the asana practice. So this was Sukshma Vyayam just to mobilize our joints. This is Bandha Konasana. People call it butterfly also. So what we have to do, we keep our soles of the feet together, drag our feet close to the body. Alright? Grab the feet from the toes, get our back straight, and let's start flapping. Let's start flapping. You know, to smile in this asana is very, very natural. Because it releases the tension from the pelvis. In the pelvis we tend to store emotional tension, mental tension. So when we practice this, we naturally tend to feel lighter, joyful. But I can see only one. Now it is increasing. Very good. Everybody will keep their back straight now. Keep on flapping. Focus on your breathing. आंखें बंद. Flapping करते रहेंगे. अपना ध्यान अंदर की तरफ लेके जाएंगे. Internalize your focus on yourself, your breath, your body, your mind. We're releasing the tension from the pelvis, from the spine. 10 more seconds. Very good. Now stay here. Try to put your hands on your thighs. Are you really able to bring them down? If not today, maybe after 30 days of consistent practice. Alright, try to bring it down. Try to lean yourself forward, keeping your back straight. Very good there, very good at the back. 10 seconds, let's keep on doing this, giving nice stretching to our pelvis. Keep breathing. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, नीचे आते रहेंगे. 5, 4, 3, 2, and up. Very good. Very good. Straighten your legs. Shake your feet, shake your legs. Good. After this, what we're gonna do, we're gonna stand up. Alright, everybody now standing up. So we would start our standing asana how? By a simple stretch which is called Tadasana, right? So जैसे हम अंगड़ाई लेते हैं, ये वैसे करना है. बहुत सिंपल है, आपके लाइफस्टाइल का भी पार्ट बन सकता है. So inhale, taking your arms up, stretch up, up, go. Hold here, 10 seconds we're gonna hold. Heels are up. Engage your abdominal muscles. पूरी body को stretch मिल जाना चाहिए. Alertness आ जानी चाहिए. Last 5, 4, 3, 2, and with control, bring your arms down, heels down. Very good. So this was standing Tadasana. या आप खड़े खड़े कभी भी कर सकते हो. And हमारी पूरी body को stretch मिलता है. And let's remember, जितना ज़्यादा body अच्छे से stretch कर पाएगी, so what it would produce? Endorphins, right? And many good hormones in the body, making ourselves lighter. The next one that we're going to do standing is just mobilize your body first like this, with the feet apart, loosely turning side to side. Very good, very good. Keep on turning side to side. Now open your feet further apart, more than your shoulder width. Stretch your arms in the front, nicely. Very good. Watch me, then you will do. So inhaling, we're going to be like this in the center, and as we exhale, keep on watching me. We're going to twist our body and see the way I have lifted the heel of one foot. All right? So let's do it. In the center. Together we would do exhale. Turning from our right to the back. Keep holding there. दोनों हाथ बराबर एक लाइन में. 1 foot heel is up. Look at your thumb of the right hand. Focus at the thumb of your right hand. Very good. Inhale in the center. Exhale, arms down. We'll do it on the other side with a breather. Are we good, everyone?
Yes.
Yes, very good. Inhaling. Exhaling. Let's turn on to the other side. Twisting our body. Heel is up. Keep breathing. Keep staying there. I'm watching. Keep breathing. Keep staying there. Internalize the asana. Take 3 deep breaths. अपने thumb को देखो. किसी और के thumb का नहीं. Very good. Inhaling, you come in the center. Exhaling, you drop your arms down. Relax your feet. Relax your feet. So this is easy. ताड़ासन हमने किया, पूरी बॉडी को स्ट्रेच दे दिया. थोड़ा ट्विस्टिंग करके हमने कटी चक्रासन किया. राइट? इसके बाद हम क्या करने वाले हैं? फॉरवर्ड बेंड. तो कैसे करना है? फीट को रिलैक्स करेंगे. फर्स्ट यू वुड वॉच मी एंड देन यू वुड डू इट. दिस इज इजी एंड यू कैन प्रैक्टिस इट. हाउ? इनहेल करते वक्त आर्म्स को ऊपर लेके जाएंगे. अभी आप देखेंगे. एक्सहेल करते वक्त यू वुड स्ट्रेच फॉरवर्ड एंड ट्राई टू रीच फॉर योर टोज. इन केस यू फील आपकी बैक पे स्ट्रेन लेकर आता है तो आप नीज बेंड करके इसको करेंगे. ऑलराइट, दिस इज फॉरवर्ड बेंड. Very good for the blood circulation, mental relaxation, nervous system, body stretch. All right, let's do it. पूरा body को stretch करो. arms एकदम stretch में. Inhale, and जैसे हम exhale करते धीरे धीरे mindfully reach for the toes of your feet. Look forward on the floor. You may bend your knees if you feel like. Knees को bend करके रख सकते हैं. Stay there, breathe there. Take 5 deep breaths. Just stay there. यहीं पे रहेंगे. I'm watching. Breathe there. अपना weight अपने toes पे shift करेंगे. Heel से toes पे shift करेंगे. Very good. Slowly inhale करते धीरे धीरे vertebrae by vertebrae we would come up. Very good. अब हमने counter stretch भी करना है. तो feet को खोलेंगे. Feet को खोलेंगे. अपने हैंड्स को अपनी लोअर बैक पे रखेंगे. वॉच मी. साथ के साथ आपकी बारी भी आएगी. इनहेल करेंगे हम और एक्सहेल करते वक्त हम पीछे बेंड करेंगे एंड ब्रीदिंग करेंगे. ऑलराइट, लेट्स डू इट. इनहेल, एक्सहेल एंड बेंड बैक. पुश योर हिप्स इन द फ्रंट एवरीबॉडी. आई एम काउंटिंग योर ब्रीदिंग. होल्डिंग 5. ब्रीथ करते रहेंगे. 4 3 2 1. वेरी गुड. Very good. You feel very good also after this stretch and your back feels rejuvenated. हमने stretch किया up, side किया, forward bend किया और ये था backward bend. आप जितना हो सके पीछे जा सकते हैं. Right? इसके बाद हम करेंगे त्रिकोणासन. So feet को हमने क्या करना है? Mat width से ज़्यादा खोलना है. Let's do one thing. हम सब लोग अपना direction change करते हैं. Very good. You are like proper yogis. Very good. Feet are apart, more than shoulder width. Right foot को right side turn करो. सर आप feet out खोलेंगे अपने. Very good. Inhale करते हुए दोनों arms को spread करो. Very good. जैसे exhale किया right hand को right ankle वाली side पे touch करने की कोशिश करनी है. Look at your hand which is up. Very good. Stay there. Focus on yourself. Knees सीधे रखेंगे. 10 सेकंड यहीं पे रहेंगे. Stay there. Breathe there. लंबे गहरे सांस. This is really helping to rejuvenate the muscles of our legs, feet, and the spine. Very good. Slowly up. Right foot in. Drag your feet closer. Shake your feet before we do it on the other side. with deep breathing. Very good. Now open your feet further apart. Turn your left foot towards the left side. Very nice. Inhale, stretch your arms nicely, expanding your chest. Very good. Exhale, take your left hand towards the left ankle. Look at your right hand. दोनों आर्म सीधी एक लाइन में कोशिश करो. Very good. अपने शोल्डर्स को अपनी लेग के साथ अलाइन करो. Inhaling up. Very good. Slowly drag your feet closer. Now, one asana which is specially dedicated to the Corona warriors, health professionals. This is called warrior pose Veerbhadrasana. जैसा नाम बताता है वैसे इसके effect हैं because it really works on our physical strength and mental strength. You will watch me and then you will powerfully do it and you will do it better than me. So what we are going to do, we are going to get ourselves at the front of our mat. Very nice. There is some distance between the feet, not much. थोड़ा सा distance रखना, ज़्यादा नहीं. Very good. Inhale करते हुए अपने left foot को, left leg को पीछे ले जाएंगे. Left leg को पीछे ले जाएंगे. Left foot की heel ऊपर. And further inhale करते हुए दोनों arms ऊपर. Join your hands into prayer position. Very good. Hold and breathe here. Take 5 deep breaths, everybody. Remember, concentration and focus is the key. Whatever you are doing, you have to bring your awareness into that. With a smile. Very good. Bringing our arms down and shifting the weight forward with control, getting our feet together. Very good, everybody. Very good. Let's do it on the other side now. As we inhale, let's drag our right leg maximum back. Heel of the right foot up. Very nice. आगे वाले leg को हल्का सा bend करना है. Very good. Inhale and taking our arms up, joining our hands into prayer position. Look in the front. Feel strong like a warrior. Take 5 deep breaths, everybody. 5 लंबे गहरे सांस लेंगे, अपनी बैक को सीधा रखेंगे. Very good. धीरे से आर्म्स नीचे एंड धीरे धीरे विद कंट्रोल लेकर आएंगे अपने फुट पर. Very good. Very good. Now we have to sit. How are we gonna sit? Stretching our arms in front. As we exhale, we bend the knees, we go down. Not really down, halfway down. Very good. Can you be here for an hour? This is very good posture, really makes you strong. Very, very good for you. 5 more seconds. Okay, go more down. 4, 3, 2. Very good. Clap for yourself.